this is my bird Angel. And she grooms herself with oils from her butt. And if her feathers fall off, it might just be she's molting or she's grooming herself. And so this is her cage. She has her water cup, she has her Cheerio cup, and she has her seed cup, which she is eating right now. And you gotta have like a variety of stuff. So you gotta have like a cuddle bone, which makes them sharpen their beak. You have to have a cuddle bone. And then there is this thing. Well, basically it's just like they like use their beaks and then they scratches it, and then she just pecks on it, and then she might crawl up here. And yeah. And then you gotta have like a swing, which she doesn't really like. And then there's a coconut shell. She just ducks under that. And then you gotta have like 2 perches. One's up here. She usually uses the one up here, not the one down here. And then she has a ladder, and she has a bell. They like stamps, so, and she has a little snack that she doesn't really eat that much. And if you want to leave the cage open, you need to like put newspaper. Oh, wait, no. First clip her wings. If you clip his or her wings, if you want to take her out of the cage, him or her out of the cage, and then. So, like, the door's open right now, so right now she's just going to come out of her cage. Actually, no, she isn't. She's eating Cheerios right now. So, and then, if you want to take her out, you've got to put newspaper on the bottom in case she poops. And then they really like something called melee spray. They just really like it. It's something they love. And you can feed her peas and corn, but she loves melee spray. She just loves it. Now watch. See, look, she's eating it. More than she wants her Cheerios or her seeds or her water. Just telling you, she only drinks her water on very, very, very hot days. So, yeah. And then you should have like a ribbon in here. And she likes shiny stuff. And you can pet her head. Wait, no. And you can pet her head like this, or she'll usually bow down her head. You can do this into her fluff. You can even make her step up, and then she might even climb on your shoulder. So, yeah, and she might bite also. This is a female cockatiel. And, yeah. That's basically all you need to know. That's all you need to know.